Hello, I'm Roto, and this is my Ethereum Playground repo. It's essentially a bunch of toy projects that showcase my exploration into Ethereum. I query the blockchain and try to visualize the data in different ways, try to do some performance comparisons on different querying techniques, and create mini features that would be in an actual app. This is a real-time dashboard. This page continuously pulls data from the blockchain and passes it to Redux, causing state updates on the components. For the transactions activity chart, I'm just passing in the transactions count for every new block coming in. And for peers, I just make an RPC call which returns information on the peers connected and then pass that to an IP location service. So the account to transactions pages are actually my exploration into using parity to see if I could get faster query results. These two pages showcase two different strategies for querying the same result. On this query that took 5 seconds is parity with tracingDB turned on and using the RPC call for this specific query. I could not find this query with Web3 or the RPC calls within Geth. So I used just a regular Web3 traversal for this query, which took 14 seconds. Keep in mind that this was about the range of about 1,000 blocks and that the Web3 query would not even be able to handle 100,000 blocks before you start hammering your own node. I call this the artsy page. It's totally just for fun. I'm passing transaction data to a Voronoi chart that has a cool animation on data updates. So HackerWatch allows you to add an address to track. All HackerWatch does is through the web3.subscribe API, it listens to the pending transactions, and if an address within the pending transactions, whether it's to or from, matches, then it will list the address on the page, and it will also hit the Twilio API to send a text. By default, I commented out the Twilio stuff, but the functionality is in place. For this demo, I am going to donate to my Ether wallet a very small amount of ETH, and yeah, and we'll just wait until it finds HackerWatch finds the transaction. Wow, it found it really fast. Wow, okay, that is the fastest that's ever happened. But great. This is the block explorer. Right now we're on the first block, so there are no transactions, but I had the idea to visualize the transactions based on the amount being exchanged. If we go to the latest block and load up the transactions, give it a sec, you'll see that the larger the circle, the more Ethereum is being exchanged. You can click on these circles to stage the transaction and inspect them in greater detail. And you can also use the arrows to step through the different blocks.